In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the divided by zero error in your pivot tables here in Google Sheets. So I got a comment a few days ago on how to fix the divided by zero error in the pivot tables. So that's what we're going to do. And unlike in Excel, where you can just go to your settings, where you can change or replace any errors in your pivot tables with another value, here in Google Sheets, what we're going to do would be to go back to our source data from which our pivot tables are based from. So for this example, I have my pivot table right here and my purchase order sheet. So I'm going back to my purchase order, which my pivot table is based from. And there you'll see we also have the divided by zero error here. So to fix this, as you've seen in the previous video that I've already shown you, what we're going to do would be to fix the divided by zero error here in our source data first, so it doesn't appear on our pivot table as well. So if you haven't seen my video on how to fix the divided by zero error here in Google Sheets, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So going back here to our source data, what we're going to do would be to add another function in our formula to replace the divided by zero error with another value. So I've already actually done it with my first cell right here. If you'll see here in our formula bar, I've already placed the if error function, and my value to replace that error would be no data. Now I haven't dragged that formula down here yet, so what I'm going to do is to show you how I did it. So let's go back to the beginning of our formula. We're going to type in if error, open parentheses. So our formula right here, F3 divided by E3, would be our value, comma, and our replacement value for that error would be double quotation marks, no data, closing quotation marks, and closing parentheses. If we press enter, there you have it. It has a suggested update which would autofill our data right there, which replaces our divided by zero errors into this value of no data. Let's accept that autofill, and there you have it. Now if we go and switch back to our pivot table right here, and now you'll see that we don't have our divided by zero error anymore. And there you have it. That's your quick fix for the divided by zero error in your pivot tables here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.